Well, hi, this is Rich, WB5YBZ, and if you have a FTDX10 and would like to operate some 10-meter FM repeaters, but don't know exactly how to set them, well, let's go on over to the radio. Thanks for watching. If you give me a thumbs up, that helps me out a whole bunch.
As you can see on the left is the output frequency. The output frequency is what we listen to of the repeater. The input frequency is what our transmitter will transmit on. Notice they're about 100 kilohertz apart. One of the things on some of the repeaters, you have to have the PL tone that you have to know in order to unlock the transmitter so it will listen to you so you can send out to others through the output frequency. So let's go on over. I want to show you a station that I heard, or a repeater, on 29620. Watch the green line here where the arrow's pointing. You can see when the repeaters basically starts to ID.
Repeater system.
I don't know if you heard that, was KQ2H. KQ2H repeater.
Okay, I Googled KQ2H repeater and the repeaterdirectory.com came up. This is what it showed you. As we know, the receiving frequency or the download frequency of the repeater is 29620, and the uplink or that you'll be transmitting on is 29.520. Also, the offset is 100 kilohertz down from the receiving frequency. This is what we want to know, where it says uplink tone is 146.2. That's the thing that we're going to have in order to unlock, or the key for the repeater. Now, some repeaters don't have a key. You need just transmit and it'll bring them up. But on this particular one, we need that tone.
We're going to hit our mode, make sure it's on FM, because we're going to be on 10-meter FM repeaters. Let's go to your settings to set up your repeater, or working the repeater. Hit the function key, or function button, radio settings down here, and you go to FM mode. Let's just go on up here and just see what I have. I'm going all the way up the top. You might want to look and stop if you need to on the video. So I'm going to go down here and keep on going down. Keep on going down. Now notice the repeater shift. 100 kilohertz is the shift on 10 meters. It says 28 megahertz right there. If you're on 50 megahertz, it's 1,000 kilohertz. Now, right here, it's the things that we're going to need to know. So right now, it says repeater. It's on simplex. That means it's receiving and sending on the same frequency. But we're going to go down. We're going to be transmitting 100 kilohertz down. That means the minus sign. That's this area, the shift up here. Okay. And our tone was 146.2. And I'm going to put this on ENC. Now, from what I understand on ENC, when the ENC, when it's selected, the radio will transmit a continuous sub-audible tone called CTCSS or PL tone, along with your voice. This is primarily used to keep or open the repeater. Most FM repeaters on the 10-meter band require a specific tone to prevent interference from opening the repeater's receiver. So this is just to keep it going. So this is on. I'm going to hit back. As you can see, the S meter is on an S9 on FM. And the green line or yellow line, I don't know what's showing up on my camera. It might not be accurate as far as colors, but it's a green or yellow line. That's the receiving line. The red line is 100 kilohertz down. That's where the transmitting line is. W2SW, WB5YBZ.
B5YBZ, W2FW, go ahead.
Thank you very much. Just programmed this in, and I was wondering how I sound. This is Rich in Oklahoma City, not poor, but rich. W2SW, Whiskey Bravo 5, Yankee Bravo Zulu.
Good afternoon. This is KQ2H, repeater. Very good, Rich. WB5YBZ, this is W2. Well, like your name, you say, Rich, but you're not Rich. W2FW, Fat Wallet, but I don't have a fat wallet, not anymore. It's January. Anyway, you have a good signal, and don't make yourself a stranger here. The band opens up. We're impressed. We're getting out to the west now. This is good.
Well, there you have it. Wasn't that sort of interesting? Well, 10 meter FM repeaters are a lot of fun. And sometimes I have actually heard 3 repeaters on the same frequency. They're on different locations. Sometimes, even though you think you have the right tone in there, you can still bring up the repeater because maybe they have the turn access off. It's a lot of fun. I hope you'll try it out. Thanks so much for watching. If you could, give me a thumbs up. It helps me out a whole bunch.